Well, good morning, everybody. The radar picture not showing us much this morning, a little different than yesterday when we did have some of those showers. Saw a bunch of tweets and numbers from around the region. Thank you to everybody for sending me that information. Always tweet me your rainfall totals and I'll retweet it and share it with everybody else. It's a great way we can all connect and see what's going on in other parts of our area. Got as little as about a nickel's worth of rain, as much as about a third of an inch. Most areas between an eighth and a quarter inch. Much needed rain. We do see some more on the radar picture this morning, and we see some of this red shaded area for now a good chunk of Alabama, for northern parts of Georgia, and for Mississippi and Louisiana. That's a potential severe weather with this next round of rain that I do think is coming towards our area tonight. Probably not going to bring the severe potential, but it's close enough. But we're going to keep a little extra careful watch throughout the day today, and we'll have lots of information for you, of course, on the various aspects of the social media. So find us, connect with us, and we'll be able to share even more information with you there. It's 65 degrees in Valdosta. It's 70 degrees this morning in Thomasville and 72 in Tallahassee with a pretty good breeze from the south. Doesn't feel like the last day of November, not with these kind of morning temperatures. We're supposed to be back in the mid-40s, and highs are only supposed to be in the upper 60s. We've got lows in the upper 60s this morning, and we're going to find daytime highs today, like yesterday, that flirt with 80. There's the official rainfall tally so far this month. A dime's worth, that's it. So that once very sizable surplus that was up near 7 inches is now all but gone. Let's see if we can get a decent soaking at times today to keep us in the surplus column. Otherwise, we're going to start operating in deficit for December. Most temperatures right now close to 70 degrees. We're at 68 in Monticello and St. Marks. We're at 70 in Moultrie and in Carabel. Quincy and Marianna, 71 degrees. The cool spot, Cross City, where it's 57, and there's no breeze there. Everybody else got a pretty good breeze, mainly from the south, and I think at times today it's going to be a little bit windy. Visibility at Cross City down to just 1/2 mile. So the breeze is helping to limit that patchy fog. If the breeze lays down, the fog will thicken up. There's plenty of moisture available, and that's part of the reason for the expectation of showers and storms. Now, most of the timing and the ingredients, they're going to be just wrong for our area to really worry about dangerous weather. But whenever it gets this close, that chance is certainly there. And we could see a couple of bigger thunderstorms later on this afternoon when the activity gets here. The boundary itself gets to and through our area by tonight. And then we bring in some cooler and drier air. So showers come first, and then we cool back off for a couple of days. There's likely another round of showers coming at the end of the weekend. So this more progressive weather pattern with a bunch of little and fast-moving systems looks like the way we're going as we start this new month. Futurecast is going to take us through most of the day today with maybe a few scattered showers out ahead of the main batch, but that main batch likely not going to get to our area. Maybe our western sections by 4 or 5 o'clock, maybe our central areas by 5, 6, 7 o'clock, and our eastern areas after 7 p.m. So depending on how far east you are, the activity will take a little longer to get there. And by the time it gets through, it may be after midnight in our far southeastern areas, but it may happen by 6, 7 o'clock to the north and to the west. And we'll notice that change in wind direction. When the winds start perking up out of the northwest, not the south, we're going to bring in that cooler and drier air. And I do think our Friday is going to be significantly different than these past couple of days have been. Today is the last day of the Atlantic hurricane season. All clear, all quiet out there. On the Gulf today, winds out of the south and southwest, 15 to 25. If you want to operate the small craft, use some caution. And those winds will twist to the northwest by tomorrow, and they'll stay pretty breezy. Low tides first up at about 8:15 this morning. They'll be all done before 11 a.m. 60s and 70s, we'll call it warm, mostly cloudy. A few pop-up showers are possible in this unstable air, but I don't think the big shower chances are going to be early today. I think they're going to be later, probably just in time for a lot of us for that commute home. We've got a shot to hit 80 before that happens. Upper 50s tonight, mostly cloudy. The showers do fizzle out from west to east, probably by 10, 11 o'clock and by 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. That would be the window right now, and that may change a little bit, so find us on the social media. We'll have updates, I promise. Showers are coming, and we do need more rain. And then this warmish comes a little cooler, so we're going to be up and down with these temperatures. And notice over the weekend, after a couple of cool ones, it warms back up, but more shower chances, guys.